Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you add passkeys for your Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add passkeys, you just simply have to open your Binance application at very first. And after opening the Binance, you will get to see something like this into the homepage. Just simply tap into this little Binance icon into the top left corner. Just tap there and it will lead you to this page. Now in this page you just simply have to select your profile, and after that you will get to see this option of security. Tap to security, and now after going into security you will get to see this option of passkeys into very top. Just simply select that passkeys option, and after that you just simply have to tap into add passkeys. Now after tapping into add passkeys, you will get to choose between passkey and security key. Just simply tap to passkey, and after tapping into there, it will give you this option. I'm using Samsung phone, that's why it is showing the option of Samsung Pass. You can choose other options into other device. Just simply tap to create button, and then it will open the application of Samsung Pass or any other pass application. Now you just simply have to enter your lock screen password, and after that it will be set into your Binance. This way you can very easily add passkeys for your Binance. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.